Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello there, pupils! I am Teacher MJ, your reading rescuer of the day. In the previous lesson, we tackled the sounds of the letters G, O, K, and K. This time, we're going to study another set of phonemes.
To get started, you might remember that the letter C and letter K make exact same sound. K, K. Knowing that, you might be tempted to say the sound twice when you see these two letters together. However, when you see C and K together, don't say K, 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 K. Just say the sound one time. Typically, we see C and K at the end of the word. Let's take a look at these few pictures to practice the rule. For the first word, let's identify what is in the picture. Yes, it's a duck. To read it, let us sound the letters one by one. D, A. Uh-oh, you will notice here that C and K are together. Again, what's our rule? Don't say K, K. Only say the sound one time. K. Let's practice. D, A, K. Duck, duck. Here's our next example. What is in the picture? Alright, it's a neck. Let's try to read N, E, K. Neck, neck. Now look at the sock. Sa and K together is sock. Sa, K, sock. Can you say it? Very good. Let's see some more words with the sound K. It's a black. Black. This is a truck. Truck. It's a clock. Clock. Once again, let's read the words with K sound. Try to read with me. Duck, neck, sock, black, truck, clock. Very good.
This has been Teacher MJ, your reading rescuer of the day. See you soon!